In 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how to create an account on Exness platform right away. So the first thing for you to do is to go to the description of this video that you are watching. The second link that you see, click on that link and it will take you to the Exness registration platform. On this platform, go ahead and click on that register button. Once you click on that register button, Exness will do a short verification. After the verification, you have the chance to fill in your details, like your country. I'm in Ghana right now, so I'm using Ghana, and you provide your Gmail address. After that, you provide a password for your account, and you have a place to input a partner code. It's optional, and I have my code. I can give it to you so that I use over there. I'll leave it in the description as well. After that, you just click on continue and you have access to create either demo or real accounts. Go ahead and create a real account because that's what matters. On the page that pops up, you can see most of the things are not available. That's because you've not complete your profile yet. So to complete your profile, you need to verify confirm your email address, your phone number, and also verify your proof of address. So right now, I'm just going to confirm my email address using the code that has been sent to me. Once I've confirmed that, the remaining ones, I'll probably do them later, like the confirmation of my phone number and also verifying the proof of address. I'll do them later. So if you go to the withdrawal page on this same Exness platform, you can see most of the things are not equally available. That is simply because you've not verified your account yet, you've not completed your profile yet. So that's something you have to take note of. And talking about verification, let me just chip in this one quickly. If you are anyone that you need to verify your proof of address on Exness platform and you are struggling with it, kindly reach out to me and I will assist you through that. Take note, you have to be a Ghanaian or your account must be created with Ghanaian details. In that way, I can help you obtain the real legal document for that. Bless up.